Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got beef. And with this beef I'm going to be making you bacon cheeseburger wrap. And let me show you what I got here. Okay, I'm going to start out with the sauce first. I got some yum yum sauce, and that's what that is right here. If you guys ain't had no yum yum sauce, you guys need to get up on it. I have some mustard. I have some ketchup. I have some Kobe cheese right here, and I also have some Swiss cheese right here. I have some hamburger patties. I have some pepper. I have some pink sea salt. And I have some granulated garlic right here. Alright, we're just going to stack this up and put this over here for a second. Over here I have some green leaf lettuce, some tomatoes, some pickles, and some onions. Alright, that's what that is. Then I have right here some large tortillas right here. These are large ones, guys. You need some large ones for this, unless you're going to make some miniature ones. Put this to the side. And also I have some bacon. Alright, and I put some black pepper, some coarse black pepper on mine. It tastes awesome. You guys need to try it. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into this. So I have my meat right here. I like mine to get a little unthawed. And I'm going to be cooking this in my Nuwave oven also. Alright, we're going to take us some this salt, pink sea salt. Just sprinkle that on there. Each side. I'm not putting a lot on there, just a little bit. Got some granulated garlic. Like that, guys. Alright, got some black pepper. That over a little bit. I can scoop this one in here. Alright. And that's what we got right there. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put this on 350 and I'm gonna cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright? Let's go on. And when that gets done, we'll go ahead and put my bacon in the oven as well. Alright? Make sure you put your bacon in the oven, and everything should be done about the same time. Alright guys, when that stuff get done, we'll start putting this stuff together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. My burgers are done. I went ahead and put the cheese on there. You can see that. It's like so. You can do it that way, or you can put the cheese on there the other way. You're going to need a knife. Here's my bacon. I'll let you guys see that up close. This is the bacon. My daughter likes hers extra crispy, so I left hers in there a little longer. This is how I like my bacon, with a little give to it, so you guys can see that. Alright. Alright guys, now this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this burger over here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Right. I'm just going to cut it down the middle like so. Just like that. Alright. So that's how we did that. We just cut it in half, okay? Alright. So let's go ahead and start forming some stuff. Just like that. Then we take our meat. And our stuff like that. And you put your tomatoes and stuff on there. Onion. Or however you want to put yours on there, okay? I'll leave that up to you guys. Got 2 pickles. Take my mustard, slightly, not a lot. We don't want it overwhelming. Our ketchup. There we go. Alright, then we'll take a little yum yum sauce. A little bit, not a lot. Well, like that. You don't want to do that. So that, I'm going to just have to spread this out a little bit. The next one will be successful. Alright. I'm going to take this and we'll bring it closer this way and we'll start wrapping. Alright. Alright. We'll wrap that sucker. Wash my hands. Okay. And that's one. One down. Take my meat. On there, just like that. Okay. Yum yum, boy, mother. So we take our stuff. Should put it closer to it that way. Okay. Let's try to roll it tight as we can. All right. Like that. Put a pick in that. Yum yum. Yummy yummy. Don't you come out fast this time, man. Alright, that's enough of that mess. Alright, now let's see if I can fold it this way. A better way of doing it. Alright. Fold that joint up like that. That's too big. Alright, there we go. One of the onions try to slide out on me, as you well know. There we go. Then just like that. It don't look too bad. I made it better before. So there you have it right there. That's it, guys. Just a bacon cheeseburger wrap. That's all it is. And you will be able to taste it. It's nothing but a wrap. So you guys go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. In a minute.